tub's coming at you, Ben. Okay, I'll get near this intersection. Yeah, I'll let you have the intersection, I'll get around it. How are we, Squiggle?
Yeah, good mate, yourself?
Oh, yeah, can't complain.
Nearly home, mate, you gotta stay home?
Alright, sure.
Oh, right about that. You got anything big? Right at the moment, right now. Two little ones coming back. Followed by two more. Yeah, Brockman Bridge will be closed for another 8 metres coming over, heading north.
I'll pull up just out where you are there, Hobbit. Thanks, dear, mate.
Roger that. What are you, mate?
That's from the platform.
Copy that. Collar and spike. Empty platform coming at you.
Yeah, Roger.
2 at 8.5 in the Limfox.
Can't do much there, can we?
About a K behind them, there's another 2 at 8.
Oh, yeah, they didn't get in so far. Yeah, Roger. Yeah, Charlie, just back it up. Got a long, wide one coming out. Right, yep.
2 more at 8 metres coming. Putting traffic.
Stop in the car park, one in the middle.
Yeah, you got the motorway. D, all clear and secure. Yeah, southbound, just got 2 oversized ones coming across the bridge there, matey, thanks.
Yeah, I was trying to remember where the bridge was.
No worries, Sam, thank you.
Right, come on, pull off, look.
Go there, Nick, and I'll go up a little bit further. Boys, when we come into Bindoon, I'll park onto the left and help out at the back.
That's what's the blue ute coming towards it there, Harry. Hey, can you let us know when you get to the 1K parking bay? 1K to the parking bay? Yeah, I'm just trying to... Okay. Righto, Patrick, I'm at the sign now. Ready, thank you, the railings.
You just got 2 at 8.5 metres there, mate. Just coming off the bridge they are. Well, Dave, you're going to get too far behind, we'll get traffic in between.
Thanks, mate. I'm at 3, mate.
You got a collie in with a digger there, mate? You got your right hand indicator still on? Yeah, right, I'm a bit faster now.
Thanks for the pictures, fellas.